In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable backend functions in Base44. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly talk about what we're doing and why. Backend functions in Base44 are usually part of the more advanced features that let you extend what your workspace can do behind the scenes. To access these, you typically need to adjust your account settings and make sure your plan supports them. I'll walk you through that process slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own account. Start by opening Base44 in your browser and logging into your workspace. Once you're inside, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see your profile icon. This might be a small avatar, your initials, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Move your mouse over to that top right area and click the profile icon. This is your main gateway to personal and account level options. After clicking the icon, a small menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option labeled Account Settings. The exact wording might be something like Account Settings or Settings, but it will clearly refer to your account configuration. Go ahead and click on that. If you're following along live, give the page a second to load, because this will open up a dedicated settings area for your workspace and subscription. Inside the Account Settings page, you'll see different sections related to your profile, billing, workspace configuration, and sometimes advanced features. Backend functions usually fall under paid or upgraded plans, so before you can enable them, you need to make sure your subscription level supports them. Look for the area that shows your current plan details. This could be labeled something like Plan, Billing, or Subscription. Here, you should see which plan you're currently on and what features are included. If backend functions are not available on your current plan, you'll see an option to upgrade. Click the button or link that lets you upgrade your plan. When you're on the upgrade screen, carefully review the available plans and confirm which one includes backend functions or advanced features. Choose the plan that fits your needs, then follow the prompts to confirm the upgrade. Once the upgrade is complete, your account will have the necessary access, and you can return to your workspace and start using backend functions as provided in your new plan.